Are you getting bland answers from ChatGPT, Grok, or Gemini? You're likely making one of the 5 fixable prompt mistakes. I'll show you the exact rewrites so you get actually useful results fast. Every time you type a vague prompt into ChatGPT, there's a little part of the AI that silently judges you.
You judging me, bruh?
Worse still, so does your boss, your co-workers, even maybe your 12-year-old who has just asked it to write a bedtime story in the voice of Erling Haaland. But don't worry, today we're fixing that. In this video, I'm going to break down the 5 most common prompt engineering mistakes I see and how you can fix them in seconds and start getting actually useful results from AI. I'm Cliff. It's great to see you here. I help busy parents and professionals just like you get the most from AI. Stick around, you will find this useful. Let's get into it. So, mistake number 1, being too vague. For example here, tell me about Manchester City. That's the AI version of going to your kid and going, what do you want for dinner? Or how was your day? They're going to shrug, the AI is going to shrug, and you're going to end up with a Wikipedia article with the emotional intensity of an IKEA instruction manual. Instead, be more specific in what you're actually looking for here. So instead of tell me about Manchester City, tell me about the history of Manchester City, focusing on their rise from League One back to the Premiership in the late 90s, early 2000s. I thought I could do this. I'm sorry. I just can't. I mean,
Can't get a shot in. Dickoff, he scored! Paul Dickoff has scored for Manchester City, and Gillingham can't believe it. Gillingham have to score this. Deafening sound. Brad must score. He doesn't. He's missed.
how much injury time did there need to be? How much?
You have any idea how much that stings?
Oh, it's okay.
I'm an adult. I can handle this. I'm okay.
It's like a coach talking to a team of 10-year-olds and saying, go and give it your best, versus Arne Slot giving detailed instructions to individual players for their own specific role in this pressing defense. If that one's helped already, make sure you go and hit that like button. Let's move on. This is where you might just type something like, write an email, and you're going to get a response from ChatGPT that sounds like it's applying for a job at the DVLA. To fix it, add a tone, a purpose, add a role. So example, write a friendly but professional email telling Dave that I've already sent that information to him. It's on page 3 of the report if he would just read it. This gives context, it gives it the tone I want the email in, and it gives intent. Read the email, Dave.
Just do it.
Now you're not just giving instructions, you're giving it game plans. Number 3, no context. A generic instruction like plan a workout is no good. I mean, are you a retired NFL linebacker or a tired parent who is just as likely to pull a hamstring reaching for the sofa snacks as anything else? So, context. Plan a beginner-friendly home workout using only resistant bands or whatever you've got at home. I've got 20 minutes, haven't trained in years, hate burpees, and if you can incorporate 2 6-year-olds, bonus. AI is a context machine. No context equals generic slop and fluff. The more background you can give it and the more precise you can be, the more helpful your responses become. Number 4, one and done. One of the biggest myths is that you can just type in one killer prompt and the answer drops from the AI heavens like the perfect AI decision.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Prompting is iterative. Always ask follow-ups. Can you make this more concise? Can you expand on this section? Now make it funny in the style of Ted Lasso. Get different variations. So give me 3 variations ranked by clarity. Even something as simple as telling it to review its answer, check it for factual errors, and make any improvements if needed. That's going to help. And if you're using ChatGPT 5, this is really good at self-review and improvement. And number 5, generic emotion. Again, similar to context with emotion. Something like make it funny is great, but what does it mean? Are we talking dad joke funny, sarcastic Brit funny, TikTok dance fail funny? Fix it, be more specific. Make it dry and sarcastic like a British dad explaining why VAR is ruining football.
Yes, it is.
Or add humour like a coach giving a post-match pep talk after a 7-0 loss. Get specific with the tone and the emotional vibe. AI can't read your mind, it reads your modifiers in your prompts. If this has been useful, but you want more details and more info, my Prompt Like a Pro cheat sheet is going to be coming out with this week's newsletter. Sign up link for that is below, and that comes out every Friday. And along with this, it's always full of helpful AI tips, AI news that actually matter to you, and this week's sporting predictions. But now, if this video has hit home and been useful, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one in this mini-series where I'll be talking through how to improve your image generation prompts to create some really, really cracking bits of AI art. Stay peachy.